Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a rich and creamy tilapia fish stew step by step, and I will explain why each step is important, especially if you are new to cooking. First, I cut the tilapia fish into medium-sized pieces. This helps the fish to cook evenly and make it easier to handle while frying. After cutting, I wash the fish properly to remove any blood or dirt. Clean fish gives a fresh taste and removes any strong smell. Next, I give the fish the shallow cuts to allow cooking oil to enter easily. I sprinkle salt over it. The salt adds flavor and also helps to draw out excess moisture from the fish. Next, I place the fish under the sunshine to drain off the water. Drying the fish is very important because wet fish will splash oil and won't fry nicely. Dry fish becomes crispy and golden. Our fish is now dry. Now I add some oil in a pan. Now if the oil is ready, I test it using a wooden cooking stick. If small bubbles forms around the stick, the oil is hot enough. I carefully add tilapia fish pieces into the hot oil. I keep turning them gently so they cook evenly on all sides. I fry the fish until it turns golden brown. This step seals in the flavor and gives the fish the firm texture so it doesn't break in the stew. Once it is ready, I remove the fish and set it aside. another pan, I heat some oil for the stew. I chop the onions. Chopped onions and stuff. I saute the onions until soft. Soft onions creates a sweet and flavorful base for the stew. Next, I add in tropical heat curry powder for heat. I stir in to combine. I add in normal curry powder. Spices need to be cooked in oil so they release all full aroma and flavor. Chop the tomatoes. Add in chopped tomatoes and stir well. I cover the pot and let them simmer. This helps the tomatoes soften and form a rich sauce. I add in salt for taste. I stir in to combine. Then I cover the pot to simmer. This is our fried fish. After the tomatoes are well cooked, I gently add back the fried tilapia fish. Adding the fish at this stage helps it absorb the sauce without breaking. I then pour in 500 milliliters of milk. The milk makes the stew creamy and rich and smooth. Next, I mix my royco in water. I pour in dissolved royco in the fish. I chop the green pepper. Add chopped green peppers for freshness and light crunch. Now I chop the coriander. Add in chopped coriander for aroma and final flavor. And now our creamy tilapia fish stew is ready to be served. Rich, flavorful and perfect with rice, ugali or chapati. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe for more delicious meals. Orders are available for all kinds of foods and snacks. And if you would like to support this channel, don't forget to join the membership for exclusive content.